to my channel watching this video for the first time, then welcome here. My name is Bhawana Rai and I am a crew member in Carnival cruise ship. Currently, I am inside Carnival Magic working as an assistant team server, and this is my third contract with the Carnival. In this video, I am going to show you the kind of lunch buffet which we serve to our guests. Since Carnival Magic is following the 8-day cruise and the 6-day cruise, I have managed to bring you the video of the last sea day of the 8-day cruise, which have the Indian cuisine menu. So, one of my closest friend all the way from Mumbai, India, and his name is Nilesh. He will explain you about this menu. So, watch my video until the end and enjoy. Meet my friend Nilesh from Mumbai.
This menu for the last day Indian lunch special. We have lamb biryani, fish curry, butter chicken, kebab, and chole bhature, paneer tikka, and paratha. Wow, amazing! Peanut butter layer cake from the coconut nuts. It's made from the coconut nuts, whatever it is. We call and this is a blackberry chocolate nut cake. I don't know. Just put the baby on top, so it's make like a chocolate baby. And this is chocolate coffee cake. You know, always a coffee as a like American like a coffee, yeah. Chocolate turtle cake. You see the turtle is like a ball. And this is well-made chocolate cake. It's like a music well-made or what? Whatever it is. And chocolate mousse. This sugar-free cake. Okay, sugar-free, sugar. And this is walnut. See, it looks like very nice. Fondant, chocolate fondant, American fondant. See the chocolate fondant.
Oka from Indonesia. Say hi, Oka.
Hi,
Hi, here.
Hi.
Thank you for coming in my videos and helping me create this content. And to all my viewers, thank you for watching my videos. And if you like my videos, please do like and subscribe, and I will be coming up with more videos. So till then, take care and be safe. Bye.